Okay, thank you so much for watching these videos. My name is Simon. Today we're going to create our tables and columns in the database. All right, so it is so easy, but we're going to receive some errors, and those errors we're going to see how to use the Stack Overflow community, and then we solve those errors. So go ahead and run PHP artisan migrate. Okay. So as it is looking for the migration, let us see what we have. So you can see our database is right now empty. Okay, PugiDB. If the errors were corrected, for example, in this version 7, we may not receive them. But if they were not, we'll go ahead and correct them. But you'll see that our tables will be created, especially the user table will be created. So let's see what we're going to have. Okay, so there is error number 1. Let's see, first of all. Okay, you have an error in my SQL syntax. Check the manual for MariaDB. Users add constraint user role foreign. Okay, let me say something with a foreign key. And I talked about foreign key. So, okay, so let's do a check. What is happening? It is talking about the users, and it's talking about foreign references. Okay, so there is an issue here with the references. All right, so let me go and check others, especially those that have a foreign key. So it means I mistyped the word references. Okay. All right, but those are not the errors I expected. I expected one that talks about the server there, that talks about the content length. But if you in the lower versions, you're bound to find those errors. So I'll go ahead and refresh, and I delete the tables so that we'll recreate them. I'm very sure it must have created the user table for me. Let's see. Okay, so it had created the users table for me. So I'll drop that table. Okay, so I'll go ahead and rerun PHP artisan migrate, or I can even first clear so that I run again, clear. Okay, PHP artisan migrate, press enter. All right, the tables have been created. So we have an issue at the categories table, which I need to go and check again. And the issue is with references. Let me see. Category foreign. So let's go and check the categories table, and we see the issue we have. So categories. Is it categories? Something must be, the videos belong to a category. Oh, okay. So save again. There's what they call rollback now. I can go to, so we're going to go to Laravel, then we'll look at migrations. So we start admiring, okay? So we looked at some of those. For example, creating The migration, make migration, create user table is what we used. Okay. Create users table, create is equal to users. So forcing a migration to run. So PHP artisan migrate, PHP, okay. So I want to use PHP artisan rollback. Okay, it will undo my migration. So I don't need to go to the table over here. If I refresh and then I delete these, and then there is another for refreshing. So there is rollback steps, and then there is reset, there is refresh. Okay, so the refresh command will roll back all your migrations and then execute and migrate. So we're going to use PHP artisan refresh. So you can see that everything is provided in the documentation. You just need to take time and read through. So it has done a rollback, okay? So we have still found an error. Let me see. Okay, now it's talking about videos already existing in the table. So I'm going to do, I've done a refresh. Okay, PHP artisan migrate rollback. So at times I have issues too with these, you see. So let me do a rollback, because it deleted all, but it didn't delete the videos table. It deleted all, but it didn't delete the videos table, simply because the videos table had an error. It wasn't fully created. So let me do a rollback. Okay, then I do PHP artisan migrate, and we'll see if it still has the videos table. I'll just go and delete it manually. Okay, so it's still complaining about the videos table, so I'm going to go and delete all manually. So I'll refresh. So because it is getting errors when it is creating the foreign key for the videos table. So I'll refresh, and then I skip migrations and failed jobs, then I delete. So I'll drop. Okay, so you can see the good thing with Laravel. You can even get to know what you didn't create well, and then you revisit. So PHP artisan migrate. Okay, let's pray. Okay, all the tables are now created very well. So let's go and double check. Okay, I've refreshed. You can see we have the videos table and whatever is supposed to be in the videos table. So let's meet in the next video. I like to do one category at a time, one table at a time. And I first want to do, now there's what they call seeding in Laravel, but I won't go through that. We are learners. And to me, seeding, okay, helps, but to me, it's another full journey across. So what I want to do, and it's also good, it will help you check with Tinker. But what I want to do, I usually create the dashboard and the view. So I create what is supposed to be on the dashboard this side, and then the other, so that I fill in the information and the editing, and then I finally go to what the viewer is supposed to see. Now, there is also another way you can do it. You can create the edit buttons for the administrator once, so that you just put if conditions. Okay, so we shall see what to do, and you say if this and this is the administrator, then this can be this. So we're going to look for a dashboard and we see. I'll type bootstrap dashboards. Okay, some are paid for, some will be free. You go ahead and choose a dashboard that you feel free with. You go ahead and choose the dashboard that you feel free with, but we may create a dashboard ourselves. It is also so easy, okay? It is so easy because most of the things they put in these dashboards here are things you never actually use, okay? All right, so let's see free bootstrap themes. I'll take a look at this. Okay, this one is free. Let me first do a live test and we see. This one is free. We shall use this and we shall change a few things. Okay, I'll go ahead and download. So let's see this one. So almost all dashboards look the same. The only difference is some of them will have JavaScript in them, and that's not our focus of the day. But feel free to go and use any. Okay, some of them will have JavaScript in them using other different JavaScript frameworks. All right, thank you for watching this video. Let's meet in the next video. Happy to see you.